Lumo versus ChatGPT. Which AI assistant is better? Choosing the right AI assistant can transform how you get tasks done without wasting time. We'll look at Lumo and ChatGPT, two powerful options with distinct strengths and uses. Lumo and ChatGPT are both AI assistants designed to boost productivity and creativity. The core difference lies in their approach. Lumo focuses on seamless integration with privacy and security, while ChatGPT excels at versatile conversational AI and broad knowledge access. Lumo is an AI assistant developed by Proton, emphasizing privacy and security alongside productivity. It works by integrating directly with your devices and services, offering smart scheduling, email management, and contextual assistance while keeping your data encrypted. Lumo's strengths include its commitment to user privacy, seamless syncing across platforms, and tailored AI responses that respect confidentiality. However, its capabilities are somewhat specialized, focusing mainly on personal organization and communication rather than broad knowledge or creative tasks. This makes Lumo ideal for users who prioritize data security and want an AI that helps streamline daily workflows without compromising privacy. Limitations include fewer integrations with third-party apps compared to more established AI platforms, and it may not handle complex conversational queries as flexibly as some alternatives. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a versatile conversational AI assistant known for its ability to understand and generate human-like text across countless topics. It operates through advanced natural language processing, enabling it to assist with writing, coding, brainstorming, tutoring, and more. ChatGPT's strengths lie in its broad knowledge base, adaptability, and extensive developer integrations, making it suitable for both casual users and professionals. Its limitations include less focus on privacy compared to specialized assistants like Lumo, as interactions are processed on cloud servers. While ChatGPT excels at open-ended conversations and creative tasks, it may require careful prompting to deliver precise or domain-specific results. It's ideal for users seeking a flexible AI assistant capable of handling diverse queries, content creation, and problem-solving across many fields. Comparing Lumo and ChatGPT highlights a trade-off between privacy-focused productivity and versatile conversational ability. For example, if you need an AI to manage your calendar, emails, and personal data securely, Lumo offers strong encryption and tailored integration, keeping your information safe. On the other hand, if you want an AI that can generate creative content, answer complex questions, or assist with coding, ChatGPT's extensive capabilities and large knowledge base make it the better choice. Lumo's limitation is in its narrower scope and fewer third-party integrations, while ChatGPT's cloud-based model raises privacy considerations. Ultimately, the decision depends on whether your priority is secure, focused assistance, or broad, flexible AI interaction. Choose Lumo if privacy and secure, streamlined productivity are your top priorities, especially for managing personal workflows and sensitive information. Opt for ChatGPT if you need a versatile AI assistant capable of handling diverse tasks, from creative writing to technical support. Both have strengths, but your choice depends on whether you value privacy or broad AI functionality most.